Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your desktop a little bit more professional looking, slick looking, just bottom line good looking. Let me give you a glimpse, okay? So this is what my desktop looks like now. Currently, it has this time, day, even the time of a 24-hour format. The background screensaver is going to be a rain falling or droplets. I know what you're thinking right now. You can get this from Wallpaper's theme engine. However, that requires a payment. With this method I'm going to teach you, this is for free. Okay? That being said, please stay in the video until the last part so you can have all of the purpose or task here. So let's get started. First thing I want you to do is, of course, if this is your first time on Rainmeter, because the application is going to be called Rainmeter, guys. So please install this first. This is the website. This is the link. This is the download page. Just click on download. Um, Install it, and you should have access to the files from Rainmeter. Because if you didn't install Rainmeter and then you installed the following files here, you won't be able to open them. You won't have this. You can open this application right here. This is technically Rainmeter, so you won't have the access to this one. Okay, so I suggest please open up this website first and download Rainmeter as a whole. If you're done with this one, let's go to this website. This is where I got that wallpaper. This is gonna be rockdanister.com/lively. This is the website. If you can copy the link, please do so. If you install this one, it's free actually. It should be looking like this. This is the application. It's gonna be pop up after installing. So choose whatever wallpaper you have here. This is the library they have. This is the featured ones. Let's just say, just for fun, I'm gonna choose the periodic table. There you have it. I have the periodic table on the background. You can click on it as whatever you have with the periodic table elements. For example, let's look for hydrogen. Hydrogen has the elemental 1.008 and so on and so forth. You can also click on aldehydes, post-transitional metals, Anyway, from here now, this is the periodic table. As you can see earlier, this Wednesday time and date was black, right? The moment I changed the wallpaper, this time and date came with the design. Now, don't be afraid. I can still edit this one. Let's just say I want to color it red. Let's go for red right there. Click on OK. And there you go. I have red right there. I still have a recycle bin right here. Shortcut. Specifying how many files I have, the size of the recycle bin. Okay? Now I'm going to teach you second now how to install this Wednesday time and date timestamp recycle bin. Okay? That being said, let's just close this one and jump straight to Modern Rainmeter's theme. This is the website you want to install. Again, guys, if you don't have the Rainmeter app from the very first part of this video, I suggest you do so, because if you click download here, as you can see, they're gonna have that .rms skin. You won't be able to manage them. You won't be able to open them without this application right here. This is the Rainmeter Manager. This is the only app that you can edit RMS skins, okay? That being said, please just type in download here. Once done, it will completely go straight on the upper right corner. Click on open file, and then it will be added right here. Once here, it will automatically pop up as this application or widget. That being said, you can customize it whatever you please. It goes with the design. Let's try this one on for size. Give me a go. Text color. How about let's do a little more yellow. Let's go to the yellow side right there. Perfect. That being said, you can also choose 24-hour clock, 12 hours clock, Fahrenheit, Celsius. Let me just close that setting right there, okay? Now, I have one more, just to take a bit step further. I have one more design for you guys here. So this is where we download or we change our cursor. This is the website. Please click on it. Once you're here, click this button right here. It's the free download button. If you click on this one, the application or file will be directly over here. Again, if you don't have the first application earlier, the Rainmeter Manager, please download that. Once done, go back to your downloads bar right here, and it should go looking like this one. It's a zip file. Extract it as the way it is. you'll have two folders right here, dark and light. Please choose whatever you want. I'm going for dark one. Once I have dark one, I'm gonna open cursors. Well, I have cursors right here. Right click install, click on install right there, and I have the cursors right in front of me. Easy as that, right? Let's just say I want a different cursor. What if I have this one? Let me just say, okay? Or this one right here. Enable pointer shadow, I don't like that. Click on OK. And I have a perfect pointer, a very different pointer rather than the standard Windows pointer. Right? Easy as that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.